The Sierra de Gádor, embraced by a lush green field adorned with palms, unveils its majestic allure. In this picturesque setting, the imposing Nuevo Mundo peak, typically draped in winter snow, commands attention against the backdrop. The harmonious blend of immediate and distant vistas creates a rare and delightful tapestry of landscapes. Envision a soaring structure, poised facing west, inviting one to immerse in the captivating scenery, particularly enchanting at twilight. It doesn't merely dominate the surroundings but stands as a deliberate culmination of a sequence of spaces. Designed around an open courtyard, this architectural marvel epitomizes daily life. A seamless continuation, a refined white line adorned with ceramic, gently ascends, inviting the midday sun to embrace the kitchen and foyer. Then, it transforms into a commanding vertical stance, offering a vantage point to let one's gaze wander and soar. While drawing from traditional local architectural strategies, like the prevalence of reflective white hues and generous sun-shielding overhangs, it also resonates with Almeria's Mediterranean architecture. These time-honored techniques blend seamlessly with modern advancements. Continuous thermal insulation, bioclimatic pergolas, outdoor blinds, and renewable energy sources, coupled with smart home technology, empower inhabitants to curate lighting in thermal environments, adapting seamlessly to the dynamic rhythms of each day and season.